What's up, guys? So I got 2 calls today so far, so let's go run them.
This right here is going to be our first victim, guys. So we're just going to go ahead and do a quick little maintenance on this unit. And right here, I do like to make sure I clean this area out with a coil brush. That coil brush there is all plastic, so it doesn't have any metal on it. So you don't want to use anything that has any metal on it because it could probably arc something or short something out. Okay, but if you keep this clean, it makes it easier for you when you need to diagnose something. Okay, guys? Next, we're going to go ahead and check the refrigerant pressures, which they look pretty good, guys. And now we're going to go ahead and come to the inside air handler unit and then check out what the temperature is coming out of the supply. And the good thing is we were seeing about an 18 to 20 degree split, so that is good. Right here, I'm just going to go ahead and take the vacuum off because we're pretty much already done with this whole maintenance. And right there, you can pretty much see all the stuff that came out of that drain pan and the drain line. It was a bit on the dirty side, but hey, it's all right.
I almost forgot my temperature probe. Here it is.
I've already lost count of how many times I forgot this at a customer's house.
All right, guys, so we just finished the first call, so now we're heading over to replace a condenser fan motor. So stay tuned.
All right, guys, so this fan blade was being a pain to take off, so I had to pull out the heavy artillery, but we finally did get it off. And right here is the new condenser motor. This part right there, you always want to make sure you take those little plastic caps off. It's mainly for condensation purposes, and it allows for any water to drain out if there is water in there. Right here is the old motor, guys, and you can see it's pretty rough. Take a look at the shaft right there. I did end up cutting it because that thing was very difficult to take off. Even with the motor cooler, it was hard. This thing mushroomed out, man. That thing was not budging. Even with my impact and everything, it was not wanting to come off. Luckily, we were able to remove that fan blade off of the old motor and then put that onto the new motor. Okay, so that's good. Okay, guys, so the condenser has been running with the new fan motor installed for a good 15 to 20 minutes, and there hasn't been any issues so far. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to check the refrigerant pressures and also check all the amp draws of the unit, and pretty much just try to do as much inspections on it as I can just to make sure I don't find any other potential issues that could cause a problem. Okay, this is what the refrigerant pressures look like, and here is the amp draws for the compressor, and then this is the amp draws for the fan motor.
So everything's pretty much done, but I'm just cycling everything on and off and checking it various times before I leave just to make sure everything's good. I already checked all the pressures. And the system came on again, so we should be pretty good.
Before I leave, I do want to confirm that the system is cooling in the inside of the building. So right here, I'm just checking one of the supply registers, and it is cooling efficiently, so we should be good to go. Okay, guys, so that's it for this one. I went ahead and grabbed all my tools and just making my way back to my van, and I already sent the invoice to the customer.
All right, guys, so that's it for today so far, unless I get any calls coming in. So hope you guys have a great day. All right, take care.